Check back in with Danielle now and our overnight and our few days ahead. Still a little more snow to come.
Happy May, Tara.
Yeah.
Happy May. This is May. This is how we're kicking off the month anyway. 1 degree is our current temperature. Winds that are the north-northwest sustained at 30, but gusting closer to 46 at this time at the airport. So we have snowy weather right now for most of Calgary. Some isolated areas in Calgary are still seeing raindrops. So it's interesting when we have temperatures, these spring storms where temperatures hover around that freezing mark. Elevation has a big part to play in this as well. Visibility is down, of course. So at Springbank, 4 is down to 4 kilometers, 2.4 in Calgary, and it's a little better in other places. Lethbridge 12.9, but Pincher Creek is now down to 2, and we're looking at reduced visibility for many reasons. Key things is we're looking at the heavy wet snow falling, and we're also looking at this combined with the wind gusts, so that snow is going sideways, and it's reducing visibility even further. So 56 kilometers per hour is our peak gusts in Calgary today, and it's been gusty in many communities today. And again, the key thing here, along with elevation, is the temperature. So we're now into the snowfall in Calgary. The west has been in the snowfall. You can see temperatures close to that freezing mark. But further off to the southeast, we're looking at these warmer temperatures, and we're getting mainly a rain event for these communities, as you can see right here. And this has really been the story with this system, with the first wave and the second wave. So you can see mainly rainfall to the east, mainly snowfall to the west. The dividing line at this point is really along Highway 2, as you can see right here, because we're looking at a bit of a rain-snow mix in between there. Now, this is really fully starting to switch over to snow here in Calgary, and we're looking at fairly consistent snowfall for tonight, and then it will start to be more intermittent tomorrow. 5 to 10 centimeters of snow is possible in Calgary, and for areas, as you can see in the snowfall warning, so Calgary and south and over to the west, anywhere from 10 to 40 centimeters. That's quite a range. Some localized areas could get to 40 centimeters, but a lot of communities looking at another 10 to 15 centimeters. When we look at timing here, you can see this is those overnight hours, and then as we play this through tomorrow, intermittent showers by the afternoon because we will be warmer, and then this clears out on Friday, but it will still be unstable Friday afternoon, so by the supper hours we could run into a couple late day showers or non-severe thunderstorms, but by Friday we'll get some sunshine and temperatures will get back into the double digits. And then we're looking at 13 for Saturday. The next system rolls in on Sunday, but that will be mainly a rain event because temperatures will be so warm. That's your Capital Chev 5-day forecast. Tara.
Thank you, Danielle.
Oh boy, yep, it's mainly snow in Calgary now. Here's your Capital Chev Skywatch camera. Visibility absolutely reduced. The winds are gusty. It's pushing all that snow around in the sky, and we're looking at this continuing through the overnight hours and through parts of tomorrow as well, especially into the morning. Interesting though, when you look at Banff, Cochrane, Lethbridge, Medicine Hat, looks more cool and wet rather than as snowy as us at the moment anyway. And then when you look at us and with our snowfall, we are looking at another 5 to 10 centimeters possible for tonight. And when we look at temperatures, here's why. We're sitting at 1 degree right now, and this is why we've made the full transition in Calgary over to snow. 3 degrees was our daytime high, which is why we saw a good amount of rainfall out there today rather than snowfall. 15 degrees is what's normal for this time of year, and with this system it's certainly been a lot of rain off to the west and a lot of snow, or a lot of rain off to the east, a lot of snow off to the west, and we're looking at picking up some good amounts. Really, if you look at Highway 2 and to the west, that's where we're going to see these higher amounts, and that's why the snowfall warning is in place. So Calgary, anywhere from 5 to 10 centimeters of snow is possible tonight through tomorrow morning, and then 10 to 40. I know that's quite a range. Most communities will see closer to that 10 or 15 even, but the 40, there will be some localized areas that could pick up that kind of snow in these overnight hours. When we look at tomorrow, we're looking at that rain-snow mix for Fernie, but fairly dry, just cloudy, and through Salmon Arm, Kelowna, and Kamloops. Edmonton looking mainly dry and mainly cloudy, but Rocky Mountain House down through Red Deer, that mixed precipitation, you can see that through all of these communities as well. Again, more rain off to the east, more snow off to the west, but temperatures will climb. Crow's Nest Pass hasn't seen much snow at all yet, and Pincher Creek as well. Lethbridge, though, looking at that rain-snow mix, and Medicine Hat may even see a couple snowflakes mixed in tomorrow. When we look at Calgary, 0 to start off the day, and we'll start off with the snowflakes, but then as temperatures warm up to 5, we'll get into that rain-snow mix and transition fully over to rain, and it will be another gusty day. When you look at that Capital Chev 7-day trend, if you like the warmer warmer temperatures. Well, by Friday, we'll get back into those double digits, Tara.
Thank you, Danielle. And